if your iPhone is charging slowly after an iOS update, then there are a few steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially fix this issue. So let's get started. The first one is restart your iPhone. A simple restart can sometimes resolve temporary software glitches affecting charging speed. In order to restart your phone, press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. And after a few moments, please turn it back on. Now the second one is don't heat up your iPhone. When your iPhone heats up, it can indeed affect the charging process of your iPhone. Excessive heat can cause your iPhone to charge more slowly than usual. This is because high temperatures can affect the battery's ability to efficiently accept and hold a charge. And if none of these work, then all you have to do is go to the settings app from your home screen on iPhone. Then simply scroll down and tap on the general option available there. Now inside general, scroll down again and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on the reset and tap on the reset all settings. Then this will definitely fix it.
So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.